Now we will draw some straight line on the graph of ln y versus ln x for two types of function, y equal to ax to the power n and y equal to ab to the power x, where a and b are constant. For example, we are given here two examples, y equal to 3x square and y equal to 3 into 2 to the power x. We need to draw a straight line in the graph where we place ln x in x-axis and ln y in y-axis. How to do this? First of all, for this type of function, we will take 2 ln on both sides. Ln y equal to ln 3x square. Ln y equal to ln 3x square. We can write this as ln 3 plus ln x square. Finally, we found ln y equal to ln 3 plus 2 ln x. We can write this as ln y equal to 2 ln x plus ln 3. We know that equation of straight line equal to y equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-axis intercept. So the y-axis intercept here is ln 3 and the gradient is 2, and in place of x we can see here ln x, which is already situated in x-axis, and in place of y there is ln y, which is already placed in y-axis. So we will draw the straight line now. We can see that the gradient is 2, this is positive, and the y-axis intercept is ln 3, which is also positive. So this is our straight line. Its gradient is 2 and y-axis intercept is ln 3. We got the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Y equal to 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x. We will take ln on both sides. Ln y equal to ln 3 into 2 to the power x. According to the formula log a to the power x equal to x log a, we can write ln 2 to the power x equal to x ln 2. So ln y equal to ln 2 multiplied by x plus ln 3. We all know that the equation of straight line equal to y equal to mx plus c, and you can see here that in x-axis we put x, so no problem here, and in y-axis we put ln y. So the gradient will be ln 2 and the value of c, the y-intercept, will be ln 3. So the straight line will be in which shape? The y-intercept is positive and the gradient is also positive. So the straight line will be like this. So the gradient of this curve is m equal to ln 2 and the y-axis intercept is ln 3. So this type of question frequently appears in your O-level exam. You need to practice them very well so that you can solve those questions on your question paper.